सोमारा जिल्हा रस्तो सुरक्षा समितीची बसका जाली। या बसकेत साबार विषयांचेर चर्चा जाली। गोवा केंद्र रस्तो सुरक्षा म्हयनो 29 जानेवारी सावन पाळटले। प्रधानमंत्र्यांच्या गोंय भेटीच्या फाटभुंयेर मडगांवचो कदंबा बस स्टँड कांय काळा खातीर SAG मैदानाचेर स्थलांतरीत करतले। देखून जिल्हा प्रशासनान सामान्यांक योग्य पद्दतीन ही म्हायती दिवची अशें गोवा केंद्रची लॉर्ना फिनांडिसाचें म्हणणें।
And a lot of from Goa camp, they आता road safety month म्हणून मनोवपा जाय. We are supposed to the road safety month has to be observed. We have received, the department has received. The department has received letters that we have to observe from 15th of January to the 14th of February. But those letters only have arrived on the 10th and 12th of January. So it's not possible to do it, in such a short time. The Department of Transport has reported here that they are doing their job. But as Goa Can, we are going to observe it from today, from 29th of January to the 28th of February. And today's meeting, we have brought up a lot of the issues concerning the consumers. Like the bus stand is sought to be shifted. But no, except for news reports, we have no other clarification of what is actually going on. So just mentioning that this is happening is not good enough. But add in the paper to tell people what is going to happen, how is it going to function, how the tourists are going to be, use the bus services, what is happening with the shuttle services. No clarification is given. But KTCL, who represented today, there was a gentleman who represented, said that the actual site inspection is going on right now. So after that, later on today, they will decide exactly what is happening and then they will let us know. So I said, let us as Goa Can know so that we can put it out to the public as to what is happening with regards to the bus stand.